Welcome to our exciting exploration of unbelievable robotic gadgets that are revolutionizing daily life. In today's video, we'll dive into a world where technology meets convenience, showcasing innovative devices that are not just futuristic but are already making waves in our everyday routines. From smart home assistants that manage your household chores to robotic vacuum cleaners that effortlessly glide across your floors, these gadgets are designed to simplify tasks and enhance our quality of life. Imagine a kitchen where a robotic chef prepares your meals while you relax, or a personal assistant that organizes your schedule and reminds you of important tasks. These are just a few examples of the incredible innovations we'll be discussing. We'll also highlight how these gadgets utilize advanced AI and machine learning to adapt to your preferences, making them not just tools, but personalized companions in your daily life. The importance of these robotic gadgets cannot be overstated. They save us time, reduce stress, and allow us to focus on what truly matters, spending quality time with loved ones or pursuing our passions. As we navigate through this video, you'll discover how these remarkable inventions are not only enhancing our lifestyles but also paving the way for a more efficient and connected future. So, buckle up and get ready to be amazed by the incredible world of robotic technology. Home automation robots. In the realm of home automation, robotic gadgets are leading the charge in enhancing convenience and efficiency. One of the most popular examples is the Roomba vacuum, a robotic cleaner that autonomously navigates your home, picking up dirt and debris while you go about your day. With its smart sensors and mapping technology, the Roomba can efficiently clean every corner of your space, allowing you to reclaim your time for more enjoyable activities. Alongside the Roomba, smart home assistants like Amazon Echo and Google Nest have become essential companions in modern households. These devices not only respond to voice commands but also integrate with various smart appliances, enabling you to control everything from lighting to temperature with just a few words. Imagine walking into a room and having the lights turn on automatically or adjusting your thermostat from the comfort of your couch. These gadgets make it all possible. The growing trend of smart homes is transforming the way we live, offering numerous benefits such as increased energy efficiency, enhanced security, and improved comfort. By automating routine tasks, these robotic gadgets allow homeowners to streamline household chores, freeing up valuable time for family, hobbies, or relaxation. As technology continues to evolve, the integration of home automation robots will only become more seamless, making our lives easier and more connected than ever before. Embrace the future of living with these innovative devices that redefine convenience in our homes. Personal assistant robots. In today's fast-paced world, personal assistant robots are becoming indispensable tools for managing our daily schedules and tasks. Gadgets like the Amazon Echo Show and Google Nest Hub are at the forefront of this revolution, offering a blend of functionality and convenience that can transform how we organize our lives. With their sleek designs and intuitive interfaces, these devices serve as central hubs for information and task management. The Amazon Echo Show, equipped with a vibrant touchscreen, allows users to set reminders, create to-do lists, and even make video calls. Its voice-activated capabilities mean you can simply ask Alexa to add items to your shopping list or check your calendar without lifting a finger. Similarly, the Google Nest Hub provides a seamless way to manage your day, offering personalized updates on your schedule, weather forecasts, and even recipe suggestions while you cook. These personal assistant robots play a crucial role in enhancing productivity and connectivity. By consolidating various tasks into one device, they help reduce the clutter of multiple apps and gadgets, making it easier to stay organized. Whether you're juggling work commitments, family activities, or personal projects, these assistants ensure you never miss a beat. As we continue to embrace technology in our daily lives, personal assistant robots are proving to be invaluable allies, streamlining our routines and keeping us connected to what matters most. Robotic kitchen gadgets. In the modern kitchen, robotic gadgets are revolutionizing the way we prepare meals, making cooking more accessible and enjoyable. Among the standout innovations are the Thermomix and Instant Pot, both of which have gained popularity for their ability to automate various cooking processes. The Thermomix is a multifunctional kitchen appliance that combines chopping, blending, cooking, and steaming all in one device. With its built-in recipes and precise temperature control, it simplifies meal prep, allowing users to create gourmet dishes with minimal effort. Similarly, the Instant Pot has become a household favorite for its versatility and speed. This electric pressure cooker can sauté, slow cook, steam, and even make yogurt, drastically reducing cooking times for busy individuals. With just a few button presses, you can prepare hearty meals in a fraction of the time it would take using traditional methods. The appeal of cooking automation is particularly strong for those with hectic lifestyles. These gadgets not only save time but also reduce the stress associated with meal preparation. Imagine coming home after a long day and having a delicious, home-cooked meal ready to serve, all thanks to the magic of automation. By streamlining the cooking process, robotic kitchen gadgets empower people to enjoy healthy, homemade meals without the hassle, making them essential tools for anyone looking to balance a busy schedule with the joys of cooking. Embrace the future of culinary convenience with these innovative devices that transform your kitchen experience. Health and fitness robots. In the quest for better health and fitness, robotic gadgets are stepping up to the plate, offering innovative solutions that promote well-being through monitoring and assistance. Devices like the Fitbit and smart scales have become essential tools for individuals looking to track their health metrics and stay motivated on their fitness journeys. The Fitbit, a popular fitness tracker, monitors various aspects of your daily activity, including steps taken, heart rate, and sleep patterns. By providing real-time feedback, it encourages users to set and achieve personal fitness goals, making exercise a more engaging and rewarding experience. Smart scales, on the other hand, go beyond just measuring weight. These advanced devices can track body composition metrics such as body fat percentage, muscle mass, and water weight. By syncing with mobile apps, they provide users with a comprehensive view of their health trends over time, helping them make informed decisions about their fitness routines and dietary choices. The importance of health technology in daily life cannot be overstated. As we navigate increasingly busy schedules, these gadgets serve as constant reminders to prioritize our well-being. They empower individuals to take control of their health by providing valuable insights and fostering accountability. With the integration of health and fitness robots into our routines, we can cultivate healthier lifestyles, making it easier to stay active and maintain our overall wellness. Embrace the future of health technology and discover how these innovative devices can transform your approach to fitness and well-being. Robotic lawn care. In the world of gardening and lawn maintenance, robotic gadgets are changing the game, making it easier than ever for homeowners to keep their yards looking pristine. Products like the Husqvarna Automower and robotic weeders are at the forefront of this innovation, designed to take the hassle out of yard work. The Husqvarna Automower is a sophisticated robotic mower that navigates your lawn autonomously, cutting grass efficiently while avoiding obstacles. With programmable schedules and weather sensors, it ensures your lawn stays well maintained without requiring constant supervision. Robotic weeders are another exciting addition to the gardening toolkit. These devices identify and remove weeds without harming your plants, saving you the time and effort typically spent on manual weeding. By automating these labor-intensive tasks, homeowners can enjoy beautifully manicured lawns and gardens without the physical strain often associated with yard work. The benefits of automated gardening extend beyond just convenience. These gadgets allow homeowners to reclaim their weekends and spend more time enjoying their outdoor spaces rather than laboring in them. Additionally, robotic lawn care devices often promote healthier lawns by ensuring consistent mowing and weed control, leading to lush, vibrant greenery. As technology continues to advance, the integration of robotic lawn care tools into our gardening routines is becoming increasingly popular, making it easier for everyone to achieve the yard of their dreams with minimal effort. Embrace the future of lawn care and discover how these innovative gadgets can transform your gardening experience. Conclusion. As we wrap up our exploration of innovative robotic gadgets that simplify daily life, let's recap the incredible technologies we've discussed. From home automation robots like the Roomba and smart home assistants to personal assistant devices such as the Amazon Echo Show and Google Nest Hub, these gadgets are designed to enhance convenience and efficiency in our everyday routines. We also highlighted robotic kitchen tools like the Thermomix and Instant Pot, which automate cooking and meal prep, as well as health and fitness robots like the Fitbit and smart scales that help monitor our well-being. The key takeaways from this video are clear. These technologies not only save time and effort but also empower us to lead healthier, more organized lives. By embracing these robotic innovations, we can transform mundane tasks into seamless experiences, allowing us to focus on what truly matters, spending time with loved ones and pursuing our passions. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the latest in tech, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends and family who might also benefit from these amazing gadgets. Your support helps us create more engaging content that keeps you informed about the ever-evolving world of technology. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more exciting insights in the future.